It's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed overall but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.